test drove this car when it was naturally aspirated at 160 horsepower and it was really, really comfortable. But now it's been back in the workshop, we've done an update on it, we've put the TD04 turbo on it, and it's now 226 brake horsepower. It was a nice car before, and now it's a nice car that's really fast. There is a boatload of torque on this car. It is such a smashing build. It's the RX5, so it's all based on an MX-5 Mark II. But the car itself, as a driver, is so comfortable. This is the first car I've been out in this season. It's 2022, and I've got to say, I'm really quite excited. I am grinning from ear to ear because it's such a pleasure to drive. It's so quiet, it's so fast, and it's got that woo-harm whistle that we all love. What a great setup. Very easy to drive, very, very easy to drive. I just can't get enough of the woo-harm whistle every time you change gear. It's so addictive. It's very, very smooth, very, very comfortable. GRP dash, ETB Digi dash. 3-inch harnesses, GRP seats. MX-5 differential engine gearbox. The gearbox is just bang and point. It's exactly where it needs to be. Such a beautiful driving position. It's just amazing. Oh, it's lovely. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Particular car, it's got the wheelwood upgrade on the front, so at least you know you've got the comfort that it's going to stop on point. I think the owner of this car is going to be very, very happy. He was already happy. He came back, we did the upgrade for him. 200 odd horsepower. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And the best part about it is just that induction noise. Oh, it's so addictive. You don't even have to take it up to the red light. I'm just getting the first dash light on. It's more than quick enough. You don't have to rev this right round. This is what I really like about it. So much torque. It just wants to go. You don't have to